Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 23rd of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Pisces, we're going straight into your channel song. Pisces, I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. And I know that you are someone special, and to you I be always faithful. I want to be what you always needed. Then I'd hope you see the heart in me. Cause I don't want another pretty face. I don't want just anyone to hold. I don't want my love to go to waste. I want you and you're beautiful. So you're the one I wanna chase. You're the one I wanna hold, and I don't want another minute go to waste. I want you and your beautiful soul. Your beautiful soul. Yeah, 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 yeah. Right, Pisces, I want you and your beautiful soul, Pisces. I don't want just any other pretty face. I don't want just any other gym body. I don't want any other scholar. I want a beautiful soul. Because that exceeds any gym membership, that exceeds any universal studies, and that have exceed any type of employment opportunities. I just wanted a beautiful soul, Pisces. That's all I asked. Okay. Alejandro. Who's Alejandro? I hear Alejandro. Alejandro. Someone named Alejandro. Alejandro. Okay, let's go. We have the Empress. Also, Alejandro is a man. Shit. Okay, we have the Empress coming out first. The Empress is Taurus energy. The Empress is ruled by Venus, which is also ruled by Libra. So I'm getting something about a Libra, or I'm getting something about Alejandro. I don't know if somebody trans. Okay, that could be what this is. Okay. You are somebody beautiful soul, and they put on a wig and came back to you. You're like, sweetie, I said I wanted your soul to be beautiful. I didn't say I want you to be a beautiful man. We have the Two of Swords. Yeah. Oh, so I'm getting you weren't supposed to know that. I'm getting someone of a sex change. You're no a girl. Okay? So I'm getting someone's asking you to accept them for the soul they are, not for what them look outside. That's pretty hard, bro. You're asking me to do something you're asking me to go against a Bible to do that. You know that, right? You're asking me, not only you want me to prove my love to you, you're asking me to go against a religious text. Why must we live like this? We're getting Two of Swords. We're getting your cover blown or something like that. We have the World card. Yeah, we're getting is a man. Or are you wondering if someone's a woman? We're getting you wonder if this girl is a man. You don't know if this girl is a man. I'm getting she's not a man, she's a woman. Or I'm getting something about you had sex with this man. After you have, I'm getting you drunk. I'm getting something about a clothing store where you're going and I don't know if somebody was Asian or Spanish. I'm getting you going to this place for the business and you meet this girl. I don't know if she tell you to come to the store after hours or she tell you to come to her yard. I'm getting you kiss her. She's cute, but me getting at the end, you see a dick. At the end, you see a. Did your friends set you up for a transgender person? Me getting your friends set you the fuck up. There's something about a clothing store or an Asian. I don't know if the person Asian or Spanish. Me getting you go in there, you talk to this girl, beautiful girl. Me getting you start drink with her, you do drugs with her, and you start have sex with her. Me getting is a man, or me getting after everything. Like, I don't know if she put you on a hypnosis. I don't know if it's like you see somebody and you see them as a girl. I don't know if I spell upon you, or you see somebody as a man. Them not a man. I don't know why you keep thinking that. Me getting a spell they put upon you. Or me getting after you have sex with her, she show you her penis. Me getting she Asian or she Spanish. Yeah, the 3 of Wands. Somebody you meet online, Instagram, Facebook, some type of online thing. You see her post pictures. Me getting after you have sex with her, your sister is a man. Or after, I don't know, me getting you drunk and me getting you go in and out of consciousness. You know, maybe she drug you. You go over this girl place, I don't know if she own clothing store. Me getting she Asian or she Spanish. You go over there, me getting you really like her and you would have fucked her. But that wasn't your intention going over there. Me getting you start drink with her and she drug you. And me getting you keep her go in and out, your eye open and it close and it open and you see a penis in front of you. You fuck, you walk and tell people say your ex-girlfriend a man. Your friends them just say, oh, you treated a girl, your ex-girlfriend was an empress. Why would you say that about her? We're going to show you what fucking a man is. So your friend them just set you up a fuck a man. Because they actually hated how you did your girlfriend. Because your friends actually liked her. Yeah, the 5 of Cups. Yeah, disappointment. Or me getting, after this you can't show your face. You're going to be so fucking traumatized. Me getting you have sex with this transgender man. I don't know. I don't know who never tell you. I don't know what is the debate right now. If you're supposed to be telling that to people before you meet them, or you're supposed to just meet them, try to accept you. I don't know what the conversation is right now. Okay. The Knight of Cups. Yeah, someone's a woman. She's a woman serving you. Me getting something about. I don't know what them trick if I have sex with. You have trick if I have sex with this person. Or I'm getting now you confirm that someone's a girl. You can be like, okay, great. Because I feel like the way how so much rumors was started about this person being a man, you start questioning your own sexuality. You start saying, McGee, why am I like this girl so much? But everybody else says a man, me getting is a girl. Me getting somebody else is a man. I don't know who the other person is. She might be Asian or Spanish. Pictures and videos, yeah, you're going to see either before or after picture, or ask to see this person without makeup. If you see this person without makeup, you're going to look on a man. Me getting the only reason why she looks so pretty, because she got makeup on. She don't want to wear no makeup, you're going to say it's a man, one way. Spirit attached. All expense paid and magic. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.
Oh my God.